Welcome back to Linguish. Are you ready for some magic?
Yes!
Okay. Ben is a magician. Abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Camille wants a new hair and eye color.
I want new hair.
Good. Okay, here we go. Okay, so ask Camille what she wants.
What color hair do you want?
Very good, Lucy.
I want blue hair.
Perfect.
Perfect.
What about eyes?
What color eyes do you want?
I want red eyes.
Excellent. Okay, let's make it happen. Hand over your face.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay. Ready? The curtain goes up.
Abracadabra.
Hey!
Is that? Are you happy?
Yes.
Excellent. Lucy, you get to do it now.
Yay!
Okay. So switch spots.
Okay.
Thank you.
No, this way. There we go. Switch here. Okay.
You want to continue?
Okay, Ben, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Maybe you can say it a couple times now, Ben. Abracadabra, 3 times.
Okay.
3 times?
And
Okay. Ask Lucy.
What
Do
you want?
I want red hair.
Okay.
Okay. And what color eyes do you want?
I want blue eyes.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you do that, Camille?
Yes.
Okay. Pass it over. Here we go.
and